Do you want to know how you can make money on YouTube without actually making any videos? I'm going to be sharing that with you today. There are actually many different types of videos that you can make on YouTube without ever showing your face or voice, and you can actually pay people to make these videos for you, which I'll be going into at the end of this video. So stick around for that because I know you're going to like it. So the types of channels that I'm going to be sharing with you today are a specific type of niche of videos called animation videos. So people make animated videos on YouTube, and you can actually get these made pretty easily. Stick around till the end of this video because I'll tell you how you can get people to make these videos for you as well. So here's the first channel. So this is Meet My Story. And as you can see, it's animated stories, and look how many views this channel are getting right now. They're posting quite regularly, as you can see on the screen. As you can see by the thumbnails, they have created great videos right here. I became a billionaire just by doing this, and I time traveled into the past. It's all these animated stories that are quite interesting for people to actually watch. And I've actually got a Chrome extension attached to my YouTube right now, and as you can see, I can view the channel stats, and it's using a tool called vidIQ. There's a code in the description as well that you can use for a discount as well. As you can see, in the last month they've got almost 800,000 views, which actually is going to be a very high CPM for what these videos are about. And as you can see, in total they've almost had 250 million views. That is a lot of money in view money. And they can obviously monetize in different ways as well. Here is the next channel. They do animated videos to do with horror stories, and they tell it in different ways. Look, you can see the laughing man as a horror story. Look how many views they're getting as well, and how many videos they're posting. And as you can see here, it's actually gone down by 58% in the last month, but they're still getting 2.5 million views almost. So you can see how many views and the potential there is with these types of videos. They've posted 18 videos and they've gained 10,000 subscribers, and it's actually gone down in the last month, so you can see the potential there. And this channel has received over 447 million views as well. Here is another channel called MSA. It was previously My Story Animated, and as you can see here, look at the views of this channel. Literally millions and millions per video. And you can see the stories they're doing here, the types of animation, as you can see on the preview as I'm scrolling. And look at the channel stats we've got here using the vidIQ extension. We can see, look how many views that is. In the last 30 days, that is 284 million views. That is a lot of views you can get in these animated style videos. So as you can see here, they've gained 300,000 subscribers. As you can see, it's popping off right now. You can use this type of channel to grow yourself as well. In total, I can barely read that number. It says 8.8 billion views. That is quite good, obviously. And they started the channel early 2019, so it's been running a few years, and they've managed to get 8.8 billion views. That is obviously incredible. This channel here called Share My Story, as you can see, they haven't posted too much recently, but let's check their channel stats. And as you can see here, they've still got almost 2 million views a month. So as you can see, it's evergreen content. They're still getting views. And if we were to check here, we can check their trending videos. We can actually see using the vidIQ extension that there's some videos here that's still getting a couple hundred views per hour. So, as you can see, there's potential there for these types of videos. Here's another channel, My Diary Animated. As you can see, there's different types of stories here that people are talking about. My crazy ex-boyfriend ruined my life. You know, these are the types of videos people are interested in. And this channel has received over 5 million views as well, and it has almost 200,000 subscribers, so potential's there. Here's another channel called Story Booth. They haven't posted in the last half a year, but as you can see here, they're still getting over 2 million views. So, you know, they haven't even posted in half a year and they're still getting 2 million views. So this type of content has potential. They're making money through the content, and they're not actually even posting any new videos. So, you know, videos that they've posted are still getting views on the YouTube algorithm. Same goes for this channel, Teen Stories. They haven't posted in half a year. As you can see here, view channel stats, 51,000 views. It's not as high, but you know, that's still a decent amount of views to be getting, and their CPM is probably decently high as well. So there are some examples of some animated channels that you can actually go out and try yourself. Now you can actually pay people using a platform like Fiverr or Upwork to find freelancers who can actually make these videos for you if you have the money to already. This might be a good idea after you've actually created some videos yourself, so you have some sort of idea about how the videos work and what you should be implementing into them. But as you can see from some of the channels I showed you, they made random stories into animated cool videos, and the videos got views. Some of them even got hundreds of millions of views. Even one channel I showed you had 8.8 billion views, which is a lot. But obviously, here comes the sticky part. You might be wondering, how can I create these types of videos? They look so complicated to create. They aren't just basic videos. They are complex animated videos. Using a tool like VideoScribe, you can easily create the videos, and you can actually pay people from Fiverr or Upwork to do it for you, which is what I'd recommend as you progress on these channels and they're getting views. There are literally people with gigs on Fiverr that you can actually find who are creating animated videos just like this, and they're using tools like VideoScribe to actually do it. Of course, if you have a large budget, then you could work with an agency, for example, to create the animated videos, but that will cost you a lot of money. If you want to learn more about how you can actually make money on YouTube through not making videos, then check out the Tube Mastery and Monetization course down below in the description if you want to find out more about how you can make money on YouTube in a more advanced way. But you can also check out another free piece of content that we put out right here, and that will dive more into it about how you can make money on YouTube without making videos.